If you are a beginner, then English language is totally new for you. You are not speaking it. You know it as a subject, you are listening, you are watching, but you are not speaking. In the beginning, you can start loud reading, for 10 minutes. Loud reading is very beneficial in many ways. Like when you start, speaking, your pronunciation is not so clear. So when you speak it, when you read it loudly, your pronunciation will be clearer with the time. It is not going to happen at once, but with the time you will get that clarity. Okay, the first thing is. Second thing is that when you read, at the same time you will listen yourself. You are involving your all senses, like you are looking your book, it means you are watching, then you are speaking, and then you are listening. You are using your three senses, so that is much more effective because you are not speaking at any place, you are practicing it, like it's like a practice of speaking that language. Okay, third thing is that when you speak, when you read loudly, your body also get a sense, you feel connected, your body feel connected that okay, this person is speaking in English, it means this is something natural. When I started, in the beginning, I started loud reading. That was very difficult for me because after 10 minutes, there was a problem in my throat. This language is totally different from your mother tongue. So when you start reading loudly, your vocal muscles, your throat will feel uncomfortable. You feel uncomfortable, you can't read for more than 10 minutes loudly. So start reading loudly for 10 minutes in the beginning, that is important, so that your muscles will be habitual for that language. Okay, so in this way, like 10-minute loud reading, 20 minutes silence reading or normal reading you can do.